The answer is very simple. Someone is always watching. Yeah? Someone is watching. Have you ever seen a YouTube video that gets no views? You won't see. You will see one or two. Even if nobody knows you on YouTube, you have family members who are cheering you on and counting on you to succeed on YouTube. So someone is always watching. And that's why I keep posting, because I don't want to disappoint that one person who is counting on me to make it. Even if it takes me 2 days to get 10 views, 3 days to get 15 views. It's something. Someone is watching. Before now, nobody knows me. But now someone sees my video, even if it's randomly, and click on it. They want to see what that video is about. Even if it is the dumbest video, the dumbest title, no keywords, someone watched it. Someone cared enough to listen, to click on the video and see my perspective on whatever it is. Even if it's my cooking videos, my vlog, my immigration advice and all of that, someone watched it. Someone cared about what I had to say. So that's enough encouragement, you know. And there is 2, 3 or 4 people that always watch my video when I post it. It means they care about me enough to want to know what I have to say about that particular topic. And they're supporting me, they're cheering me on. I don't want to disappoint them. Even if it's one person, it's worth it to create content for one person. So someone is always watching. Post that video and keep doing it. Someone cares. Number 2 reason. YouTube guidelines, rules, and everything is always changing. The creator economy is always changing. It can change 2 or 3 times in a year. You never can know when that thing you're doing will be favorable on YouTube and will be what is required and what is on demand on YouTube. Yeah? I've watched videos of people who were creating content for years. I've seen a woman, I think she makes cooking videos. She just cooks in her home. She's elderly, above 60, I think, and all her children were out of the home. So she was alone, and the only thing she had to do was create videos and post on YouTube. For 5 years, she kept doing that, and all of a sudden, she started getting views. What happened? Someone somewhere watched her video, and it resonated with them, and they just put a clip of that video on their own video and commented on it and said, "This tip helped me." And then shared the link to the woman's YouTube channel, and that was how she got monetized in 1 week. She got monetized in 1 week, and then people all of a sudden were interested in her tips, in her recipes, in what she had to say. And because she's someone who's been around for a long time, has been doing the same thing for a long time, she gained credibility. So you see, someone somewhere, something can happen. A celebrity can make a comment, something can start trending, and it will have a link to your video or to your niche, and before you know it, you're monetized and you start earning on YouTube, and all your hard work pays off. Even if it's not that, the trends change, the YouTube creator economy changes. Yeah? Tomorrow YouTube can wake up and be like, okay, according to what's going on now, statistics and all of that, they change their rules, and it favors you all of a sudden. So what if those rules change when you've quit? And you'll be like, oh my God, if I had continued, this would have been my time to make it, you know, to shine. So you never can tell what will happen. That's too big a risk to take not to do what you want to do. So that's why I keep creating. I've seen it happen once. This instance I just gave you. So one day it will be my turn to earn it big, I think. And my best reason for continuing to create content and to post on YouTube is because I love it. I love it for several reasons. It's like a part-time job that I can do at my own time, at my own pace. I can customize it anyhow I want, you know. I can create content on anything. I can pick a niche. I can even have different YouTube channels, you know, and I can work at it. I can use different strategies to grow. It's just so, the thought of it just gives me courage and hope that I don't have to keep watching all those videos that says click on this or comment on this or do this or that to earn money online. Most of those things are scam. Yeah, and this is something that is legit, that I can look back on one day and be like, yeah, I did it. So because I love it, I enjoy what I do. I truly love food. I truly love cooking. I truly love making something delicious and edible out of ordinary ingredients. I truly love vlogging. I truly love sharing the things I share on my YouTube channel. And I love editing it, you know. I can edit and add different things and make it so enjoyable. And then I can post it on my channel that I customize and made into anything that I love. I just love it. I just love what I do. And I love when I interact with my audience in the comment section. And that is one big motivation. And that's why I keep doing what I do. I love creating content on YouTube. I've had this idea for a long time now, and I never did anything about it. But once I started, I realized, oh my God, I've been missing out. Even if for nobody else's sake, for my sake. So that's another very good reason. I think that's the most important reason why you should keep posting on YouTube. If you truly love what you are doing, that's a bonus, because you will definitely at some point earn money from it. So the fact that you love it is a bonus. I think you should just keep posting on YouTube. And the final reason is that it's a way of creating memories that will last. It is a way of creating memories that will last. You can look back on your videos in the next 2 or 3 years, or even in the next 10, 20, 30 years and be like, wow, this is where I was, this is what I did, you know, this is how I did it, this is what I was, this is how I thought. This was my level at that time. And then you look back and it's nice, isn't it? You can argue and say, but you can do that, create those memories and not post it on YouTube. Well, YouTube is a platform for sharing and content and ideas. It's a social media. What if you had a YouTube channel where you uploaded most things, important videos and events and vlog about your life and all of that, and you meet someone new and they're trying to figure out about you, and instead of telling the story, you send them a link to the YouTube video and they go and watch and see for themselves. I even learned that these days, instead of people to go to interviews and try to convince potential partners or strike deals or even get a job, they can give the link to the other person, the employer, the potential buyer or partner. They can give them a link to their YouTube channel, their private YouTube channel, and then they watch the video and the video speaks for itself. Isn't that lovely? Then imagine that you have such things for family. I believe strongly that one day this young glory will give my grandchildren links to this YouTube channel and be like, this was grandma 30 years ago, or this was grandma 50 years ago. See, that is one thing that I think about and I be like, this is worth doing. That's why I keep creating content on YouTube.